Hi guys, it's Drew here from Prepared Camping. And as the weather gets better, lots of people are going to be looking to go outdoors, be it camping, hiking, fishing, whatever activity you're doing. And that brings us into contact with ticks. These spider-like bugs climb up vegetation waiting for a mammal to walk past before, burrowing their heads into the skin and drinking its blood. Nasty little creatures. Lots of people will use tweezers to get rid of them, but that has the danger that you could potentially rip the head off and leave that embedded in the wound, which is an infection risk. Or it could make it vomit up its contents into your blood, and that's really not nice. Tick bites often result in a bullseye rash like this one within a couple of weeks. So I found these little things on Amazon. Dirt cheap and a lot more useful. Now in the past I have just had to use tweezers, and luckily I've not been bit since I've had these, but from what I can see I think these will be a lot easier, so you can get under the head and you can lift it gently and then twist it away before levering it out. This allows you to use constant but gentle pressure without squeezing the main body, which is a much safer way of removing them. Anyway, just thought I'd share with you guys. Hopefully you'll be tick free, but I'd suggest people carry these if you're walking dogs or you're taking kids outdoors, because it's not a nice thing to have to deal with. Till next time, take care. I didn't get the chance to spend as much time as I wanted on my blog last year, so hopefully I can give it a bit more attention this year. And I'd like to hear what you guys think, so if you have a look at it and give me some feedback, I'd really appreciate it. As ever, thanks for watching. Till next time, take care.